In Guwahati on Sunday, women bikers participated in the Salute Birangana motorcycle rally ahead of Independence Day, celebrating women's contributions and honoring their achievements. The rally was attended by former MP Queen Oja Angurlata Deka, chairperson of the Assam State's Women's Commission, senior journalist Pranoy Bordoloy, and hundreds of women riders. The bike rally began from Sarusajai in Guwahati, proceeded towards Biharbari, and concluded back to Sarusajai.
Independence Day upalekhe etu ride korisu, so salute to all Biranganas. Thank you so much. Let's ride, guys.
Thank you. Chance asal kami losu hai. Dia nai. Moi amar ya bikas ase, moi bikas dohar korba kane onoj janaisu.
Puriya sir jiteo ami kobat ride jao, Ladakh ride hok ba Kanyakumari ride, ji ride gole mane dadai khodai ahi support kore, hetu kane mu khodai bhal lage, ketia dadai na boli koa nai aji loge. Jiman ride goisu khodai ahi bole kiba na kiba পৰামৰ্শ দিয়ে এনেকৈ কৰিবা এনেকৈ কৰিবা আপুনি এটা কথা ক'ব পাহৰি গ'ল আপুনি এভাৰেষ্টটো গৈছে